Merry Christmas everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 24. How is your Christmas Eve? No, how was your Christmas Eve? Because today is like Christmas Day already when you see this. How was your Christmas Eve? How is your Christmas Day going on? I hope you have an amazing day and you had an amazing day yesterday and you really enjoyed and spent it with whoever you could in this freaking time. So I put some leather lipstick on, this jumper that I love, this white one, and Nader and myself, we are going to have some lunch. We found this place. I hope they still have tables and everything. It's called the Irish Village, so they have like some turkey roast and stuff. So we are going there and have a nice Christmas Eve lunch. So that's the plan. Let's go, let's have some lunch, let's celebrate a little bit. Too excited for this, way too excited. Also, I wanted to just make an intro now since my lipstick is looking nice, because it will not stay like this. Like in the next half an hour, it's gone, girl. It's gone. I'm sure you understand what I meant.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
To you.
To you. Oh, how is the beer, Petrina? Christmas beer. Look, the place is amazing. It's cool, eh? Very cool place. Very
Here, but it's very nice. The atmosphere and everything.
atmosphere, very British, no?
It's a Christmas tree.
Bueno, British, sorry, Irish.
Irish. Oh, don't
Sorry.
confuse them, huh? They
Exactly.
don't like it.
This place reminds me San Antonio, Ibiza.
Really? It's the
Yeah.
same?
San Antonio is the area for the England people, and Irish, Scottish, British,
Amazing.
and yeah,
They know how to party.
why not? It's cool.
It's very good.
Yeah?
It's like a vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's very good. Delicious. You need to try it, Nana.
Nice.
It's nice, no?
Like too much carrots, some...
Yeah, vegetable.
Very good. Nice.
Very nice. And the plate is also okay, size-wise.
Yeah.
So this is pork sausage. We have here the turkey roast with mashed potatoes and all the other stuff. Then we went for some calamaris as well. And this is another.
This is black pudding, in Spanish, morcilla.
So nice.
This is the pudding. To be honest, Petrina, don't look very well.
I'm sure it's going to taste amazing.
So let's see how
I
it
hope
is.
so.
I taste?
Yeah, taste.
Let's try this. It's hot,
No reaction at all.
no reaction.
I don't think you're gonna like it. No?
It's hot, never like it.
No? holidays for us. But it's nice.
How is the Coca-Cola, Petrina? How's the food for you? Everything good?
All good. Delicious.
My opinion, the food delicious, easy, very good potatoes. The turkey, big surprise because very tasty, some juicy.
So we are home now. The food, it was so good, so delicious. Of course we order more than we can eat, but that's not something new. We all the time over order, and when you go with hunger, when you're hungry, you order even more. But it was delicious. It was our first time when we've been to the Irish village. It's very nice. There's a huge place, it's very big, and what I like is you can see whatever, nobody's sitting you, oh take this table is reserved. You go, you have they have table, you sit. You don't have table, well, that's life. But I really like that way of handling stuff. It was very delicious. We had in the turkey roast, there was also ham, pork ham, and it was so good. We have a piece, but they let you know, and even in the menu it's like you have there contains pork, so if you don't eat it you just can skip it, I think, or they can remove it for you. I don't really know how it's working in that way because we really like pork, and it was very delicious. The potatoes, oof, I love potatoes, so they were very good. Also the calamaris, they were very good. Usually they come like very oily, but this time they were like they're in the right spot, very crispy, crunchy, delicious. So good. Also another order, what's called in I think you said it, no? What's called that? The morcilla? Black pudding. I didn't taste it. I totally forgot about it because I was like so into the potatoes and into the sausage and everything. It was very good, very delicious. I really like it. They have this big tree, people just hang around and just enjoy, and it was very good. I felt like this spirit of the holidays. I don't know, everybody was very chill, everybody was just enjoying. The kids were playing around, so it was very nice. I really enjoy it. I really like it. How about you, Nader? Did you like it?
Love it. Nice.
Yeah, nice. Good food, good atmosphere, and it's the first time that we are going there, but it will not be the last because they have a lot of offers. And we were looking at the brunch, and for us, we don't drink a lot. We drink, Nader had a beer, I had a glass of rosé, and then we went back to the Coca-Cola. We are not big drinkers. We don't like to drink that much. We like to have like a glass from now and then. When I was going with the story, because all the time I start something and then I go to another way. I was telling you about the... what I was telling you about? Yes, I was telling you about the brunch. They have with only soft drinks. They have for 99 dirhams, so it's nice. Actually, my friend Laura, she told me about this place because we didn't know where to go. We wanted to go and to enjoy somewhere. The problem with was that most of the like Christmas dinners, Christmas Eve dinners, or everything like today on 24th, they were starting after 6, and like I said, it's working tonight, so we wanted to go like during the day, lunch type of stuff. So we didn't know where to go, and my friend, she was like, oh, we've been there last night and I saw they are having for the Christmas as well, so we give it a go. Thank you, Laura. It was a very good idea. So yeah, we've been there. Now we are home, just chilling, enjoying. We talked with Nader's family. I think we will talk with my family as well a little bit, and then just enjoy here in the house. I put the fireplace this on from YouTube as well because it's very cozy. I removed the sound now, but then with the logs burning, ooh, so cozy, so nice. So yeah, we're just going to be chilling right now and just enjoying the afternoon. It's 5 o'clock now, I think, no? It's already 5 o'clock.
It is 5 o'clock in point.
Yeah, look. It's already 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Damn, the time is passing so fast, oh so fast. But it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going to enjoy it with Nadera right now. I'm going to call my family as well and then just enjoy. Did I say we're gonna enjoy right now? I don't know if I mentioned it, but yeah, we're gonna just enjoy. Merry Christmas, you guys. I really hope that you had an amazing Christmas Eve and an amazing Christmas Day. I really hope that you enjoy it and you'll be able to spend it with somebody dear to you, your family, your friends. I really hope so. I know there are so many places with so many issues right now and people are not able to do that this time of the year, but let's hope for an amazing 2021 and please God the things could go back how they were before. Finger crossed. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and I send you all my positive and good thoughts to you and your family and everybody that is dear to you, around you or far away, but keep them in your mind and in your heart always. You Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Damn, this Christmas came like it's right here. I feel like just yesterday we were like doing the Christmas tree and boom, 25 days later here we are. Merry Christmas.